students, today we are going to discuss in the ninth standard chapter signature of time. It is related to geography. We are going to discuss about the geography. And now the chapter name is signature of time. We study about the time's signature. We all have the signatures. We are doing the signatures in any papers, in letters, in everywhere we are making the signature. Now we are studying about the signature of time. That means the time's signature. What is the time's signature? We can have a look and we can have a study about our globe. Here you can see the signature of time mentioned our globe. In this globe, you can see that the red dots indicate the earthquake zones. Can you see the earthquake zones in our earth? Especially the Pacific Ocean area. Surround all the Pacific Ocean area contains the earthquake zones. And what is the speciality of that area? We will discuss later. Now we just know about the places. That means the South America, North America, the Eastern Asia, the Australian zone, the New Zealand zone. Everyone is covered by the earthquake zones. And also if you are coming to the African area, some part of African area and the North Indian area also you can see the most of the red dots. That means these all areas are the earthquake zones. Do you understand? The earthquake means ഭൂകമ്പ പ്രദേശങ്ങളാണ് ഈ കാണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഏരിയകളെല്ലാം. ഭൂകമ്പം ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടാവാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള ഏരിയകളാണ് ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നോർത്ത് ഇന്ത്യയിലും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സദേൺ പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ഏഷ്യ, ഇന്തോനേഷ്യ, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മലേഷ്യക്ക് വരുന്ന ഏരിയ, ദിസ് ഓൾ ആർ ദ എർത്ത് സോൺസ്. ആൻഡ് വി ഹാവ് ലുക്ക് അബൌട്ട് ദ വോൾക്കാനിക് സോൺസ്. അഗ്നിപർവ്വത സോണുകളെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അടുത്തതായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ പറയാൻ പോകുന്നത്. We can see the volcanic zones are there. The same where the earthquake zones also, the volcanic zones. You can see the South America, North America and the eastern part of the Asia and the eastern part of the Australia, it means New Zealand area, all are contains the volcanic zones. And now we are moving to the major mountain ranges in the earth. Mountain ranges. Do you know the mountain ranges? In your nearest locality, you may have the mountains, Malagal, Parvatangal. And we are not talking about the small mountains. That we call as hill. Here we discuss about the mountains. This means the biggest hills that called as mountains. You can see the yellow marked places are notified as mountains. You can see that in India, the northern India, we called as the greatest mountain is living in India. What is it? What is the name of the greatest mountain which is located in the northern part of India? Can anyone say that name? Yes, Himalayan regions. And also you can see that Andes in South American side is called as Andes. And also in the North American side you can see that Rockies. And also in the eastern part of the Russia also we can see the mountain areas. Then also you can see the volcano zones. That means the red points are mentioned there. That is the volcano regions. And also you can see in this picture the earthquake zones. That means we have a similarity between these three points. That means volcano, earthquake and the mountain ranges. Where are the mountains, there is earthquakes happens and also volcanoes also happens there. You can see these all places are mentioned. But in the Himalayan side, we cannot see the volcanoes. We can see the earthquake zones is there and mountain zones also is there. നമ്മുടെ ഹിമാലയത്തിൽ പിന്നെ ഭൂകമ്പ പ്രദേശങ്ങളും ഉണ്ട്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മലനിരകളും ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അവിടെ വോൾക്കാനോ സോൺസ് നമുക്ക് അവിടെ അഥവാ അഗ്നിപർവ്വത പോയിന്റുകൾ നമുക്ക് അവിടെ കാണാൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ല. Then the next picture shows the major earthquake zones, volcanoes and mountain ranges. You can see that earthquakes is mentioned in the red dots, volcanoes in orange and mountain ranges are blue. We can see the same places is there. And you can see one more specifically we can understand that plate boundaries you can see in shade and the volcanoes we can see in yellow shades, and the earthquakes also is known as in red shades. So what is the conclusion of these all pictures? We can have a conclusion. Earthquakes are frequent in certain part of the earth. We can see that I think most of the parts of the world, the earth, we can see the earthquakes. So it is very frequent. And the next one, volcanoes are more common in certain specific regions. You can see in this picture the volcanoes, you can see that in South America and the eastern part of Asia also, the specific regions is contains volcanoes. And the earthquake zones and the distribution of mountains on the earth's surface is more or less coincide. Earthquake and the mountain zones is very coincide. Wherever the mountains is there is the earthquakes. എവിടെയൊക്കെ പർവ്വതങ്ങളുണ്ടോ അവിടെയൊക്കെ ഭൂകമ്പ സാധ്യതകളും ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് we can understand from these all pictures. Thank you.